What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing baby Olaf from Frozen. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the carrot nose. We're going to start right in the middle at the very top. Just going to bend this around the left side and then back in towards the middle. Let's go up to the top. We're going to bend the carrot going out and then down towards the tip. Come down to the bottom, bend this out and then up. Now we're going to add a couple lines inside the carrot. Starting from the top, bend this around and then back out. Step out and draw that again. Let's move out to the side of the carrot and draw in the cheeks. We're going to start on the left, bend this up and then out, and then line this up on the right, going up and out. Now you want to tuck the eyes in behind the carrot and the cheeks. We're going to start right in the middle and draw a circle, starting with the left side, going up, go all the way around, and then in underneath the cheek, go back to the center, and draw the same thing on the right, going all the way around, and then back in. Now you can draw two small circles for the pupils, and we're going to pull this towards the inside. So let's start right in the middle, draw the left side going all the way around, and then in, and do the same thing on the right. Let's add a small highlight circle along the top of each pupil, and then we'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Now from the edge of the cheeks, we're going to step down and draw the top of the mouth. Let's start on the left. We're going to come down underneath the nose, and bend that up, and then we'll add a bracket around the corners of the mouth. Let's draw the bottom of the mouth. We're going to start back on the left side. We're going to come down, round out the mouth, and just pull that back up towards the right. In the center, let's add in the tooth. From the sides, draw two straight lines coming down, pulls off the bottom with a curve. Let's move out to the side and draw on the cheeks and the lower half of the head. For the cheeks, we're going to step out, curve this around, just come in just underneath the mouth, round up the head, go up on the right, and then just bend that in around the corner of the mouth. Now we're going to go up and draw the eyebrows on top of the eyes. Let's start on the left. Bend this up and in, line this up on the right, go out and down. Let's draw a straight line going up along the inside of the eyebrows. Bend this out and just taper down towards a point. And we'll fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now we're going to connect the top of the cheeks with a curve going up above the eyebrows. We're going to go up, round up the head, go across, and then bring that down on the right. Let's add those twigs on top of the head. Starting in the middle, start with the left side. Bend this up and out, flatten off the end, and just follow that same curve coming back in. Let's add a longer one going up towards the right. Starting from the middle, going up and out towards the top, flatten this off, and follow that curve back down. Now I'm going to add one smaller one going out towards the right. Now with the head in place, let's move down and draw the top section of the body. We're going to start on the left side, draw an oval, going around. I'm just going to tuck that up on the right side. Let's draw a larger oval tucked in underneath, starting on the left, going all the way around, going across the bottom, and then pull that in on the right. Let's add a couple buttons. Starting at the top, we'll draw one circle. Step down and draw one more along the bottom section. Let's tuck the feet in underneath the body, leaving a gap in the center. Start on the left, bend this down and out. And the same thing on the right. Now round up the bottom of the feet, coming down and then up towards the outside. And from the outside, it's going to bend the leg, going up and then in towards the side of the body. Now going back up to the top, let's stretch the arms out towards the side. Starting from the top of the body, underneath the head, going up, and then out towards the hands. Now I'm going to simplify the fingers. Starting from the wrist, let's start with the thumb. I'm going to go up, round up the thumb, and then bend that back down. And I'll add 2 more fingers along the outside. So we'll go out, come down, round up the finger, and then pull that back in. Let's bend the last finger going out and then down, round this out, and then pull that up towards the wrist. Now I'm going to follow that same curve coming in about halfway. Let's add a bump, going out and then in, and then complete that curve coming in towards the side of the body. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's add that elbow. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of baby Olaf from Frozen. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.